If I were to tell somebody else about LCS, I would have nothing but good things to say about it, mainly because it's helped me so much. I work for ChemBio Diagnostics, and we make and deliver rapid response test kits to help detect various diseases. Using and training on LCS is very, very easy. It's very user-friendly. Going onto the LCS portal alone, you're able to see, the pre-recorded events. You're able to see the future events that are going to be live events. It's always something that's constantly being updated, and it's happens every week. I'm able to maybe I'm having a particular issue that week, and I just say, let me look at the LCS. Let's see if they have anything going on regarding that issue this week. When I started using LCS, it helped me really get into saved searches. Really big on that and the reporting aspect. So it's helped me, master making all those reports. That way the data, not only is being displayed properly, but it's being displayed in a way that it's easy for other users to read.